I just want to show you my pedicure today. I'm doing those 10 white toes, and I have fingernail polish all over my toes. That's the only way I can do it, but when I finish it, when it dries, I clean it up with this brush and some fingernail polish remover. And this is what I use. LA Colors White, $1 from Dollar Tree. Setch V, it's about $5 from Sally's. And Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat, it's about $5 or $6 also from Walmart. And I'm going to apply one or two of these little diamonds on there. But yes, it gives you a smooth finish, the white, and a high gloss shine. So I'll come back and show you how that looks. And here are the final results of my pedicure. You can see it better in the dark. That's why I don't have the light on. But painted toes are happy toes. Don't you think so?